Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering down the Ps5 and unplugging everything. This prevents short circuits and preserves settings. Once done, remove the controller cover and examine the touchpad closely for crumbs, sticky residue, or cracked glass because most issues are physical. Use a microfiber cloth and isopropyl 70% to gently clean around the edges. Make sure not to saturate the board. If you see obvious damage, note it for later replacement steps. You now open the controller with steady pressure on clips and remove screws because accessing the internals reveals loose connections. Once inside, locate the touchpad ribbon cable and gently reseat it. Poor seating is a common failure. Check connectors for corrosion or bent pins and inspect the touchpad PCB for lifted traces. If the touchpad still misbehaves, use a multimeter to test continuity on the ribbon and ground points, which helps determine if replacement is necessary. You replace the ribbon or touchpad assembly only when diagnostics show failed continuity or physical damage, because replacement resolves electrical faults. Once swapped, reconnect all cables and reassemble the shell, tightening screws evenly to avoid pressure on the pad. Then power on the Ps5 and controller, perform any system calibration or controller reset, and test the touchpad in menus and games to confirm function. If still unreliable, try.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.